Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're aiming to land your first virtual assistant gig or just want to upgrade your professional image, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a sleek and impressive resume in just 5 minutes using nothing but Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to craft a resume that stands out and showcases your skills, even if you've never made one before. No design experience required. So let's jump right in. First thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. If you've never used it before, don't worry, it's a totally free web-based design tool and it's incredibly user-friendly. Just open up your browser, type in canva.com and log in or set up a free account. This whole process works right from your computer, and you can even do it on your phone if you prefer, though a bigger screen helps for formatting. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create a Design button. That's usually a standout purple button in the top right corner. Give that a click. Now we want Canva to show us all the resume options it can offer, so in the search bar that appears, type resume. You'll see a whole list pop up: resume, simple resume, modern resume, and so on. For this walkthrough, just select the basic resume option. This tells Canva to set up a blank document with the perfect size for a standard resume, so you don't have to worry about sizing or formatting issues later on. Now you'll be taken to a page full of gorgeous ready-made templates. This is where the magic really starts. Scroll through the designs, or if you want to be speedy, you can filter by color, style, or even profession on the left side. Think about what kind of vibe you want to give off. If you're a virtual assistant, you might want something modern and clean without a lot of distractions. When you find a template you love, just click on it and Canva will load it onto your personal workspace. This next step is where you make the template truly yours. Click into any text box to edit the information, replace the placeholder name with your name, update the job title, and fill in your actual skills, work experience, and contact details. Make sure everything is accurate and clearly written. If the template has sections you don't need, such as a references area, just click and delete those to keep things neat. You can also drag and move elements around, adjust colors to match your personal brand, or even upload a professional-looking photo if the template has a spot for it. If you're worried you'll make a mistake, don't stress. Canva lets you undo anything with a single click, so feel free to experiment. A helpful tip here: try to keep your resume to one page and focus on the information most relevant to virtual assistant roles, like time management, tech skills, or previous remote work experience. Once you're pleased with how everything looks, and don't be afraid to take a moment to review for typos, it's time to download your masterpiece. Look for the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Click that and then select Download. I recommend choosing PDF format for resumes as it preserves your formatting and looks professional when sending it to employers. Hit that Download button and Canva will generate your resume in just a few seconds. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've gone from a blank Canva page to a polished, professional resume ready to send out. Creating your resume doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming. With these tools, you can tackle it with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions about Canva or need tips for building a standout resume, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. And if you want more step-by-step guides on becoming a top-notch virtual assistant, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.